elephants can swing. Though nothing will keep us together. We can beat them forever and ever. Oh, we can be heroes just for one day.
Could you be a hero for one day? Welcome to Planet Strategies, where we are prototyping the future. We have some amazing technologies to share with you, the best new energy and transportation technologies on the planet. This is a site where you can help do something about oil prices and global warming. This is your chance to be a hero, even if just for one day. The question of the moment is, how do we cut our use of oil fast? Petroleum prices are skyrocketing. The diversion of food crops for biofuel production is contributing to universal food price inflation and food riots in poor nations. Global warming is passing tipping points of no return. World energy supply and security are hanging by a thread. We need solutions fast, not down the road in 10 or 20 years. Planet Strategies prototypes breakthrough technologies that have the fundamentals needed to provide solutions for both energy and environmental problems. A key piece of world-changing technology that can rapidly cut our dependency on oil is a radically more efficient engine called the StarRotor engine. A brilliant group of world-class engineers at Texas A&M University are the inventors of the StarRotor engine and the founders of StarRotor Corporation. The StarRotor engine can be used to build vehicles that consume 3 to 4 times less fuel. The annual savings are expected to be so large that it will be attractive to convert existing vehicles by replacing their piston engines with StarRotor engines, saving $3,000 to $4,000 per year for the typical driver. The benefits are environmental as well as financial. An engine that uses 3 to 4 times less fuel also contributes 3 to 4 times less carbon to the atmosphere. This map is from NASA's Earth Observatory. It shows temperature anomalies, cold in blue, hot in red, for the years between 1884 and 2007. To halt this alarming process will require technological changes like the StarRotor engine that can be applied rapidly and economically in this decade. The StarRotor engine will be widely applied to both new vehicle designs and to the conversion of existing vehicles. Immediate applications include all sorts of transportation: automobiles, trucks, trains, boats, ships, and planes, including jet planes. Small engine applications include motorbikes, snowmobiles, jet skis, lawnmowers, and many other power devices. Stationary applications include electrical power generation plants, backup generators, and compressors for air conditioning, refrigeration, and industrial use. Such a large worldwide reduction in fossil fuel consumption is the single most impactful change that we can make to bring global warming under control in this decade, before it is too late. The StarRotor technology has been successfully demonstrated at the moderate temperatures that metal components can withstand. Our next step is to build working prototypes of the high-temperature ceramic components of the StarRotor engine and prototypes of both new car designs and conversions of existing vehicles using the StarRotor engine. Planet Strategies has sourced a remarkably innovative net ceramic shape casting method for economically producing the StarRotor engine. The need to push the envelope on materials technology makes this project early stage even for venture capital companies, especially in the current state of disarray in financial markets. Rather than chase traditional venture capital sources, we have chosen to look for small development fees of $10 and up from many individuals, people like you who decide that they want this technology to be a part of their future. On this Planet Strategies website, you can learn more about the StarRotor engine and other world-changing technologies through the Planet Technologies pages. You can contribute to the building and testing of the prototypes on the Prototype Contributions page. You can monitor the ongoing development of prototypes through the Planet Strategies blog, and you can follow events like the 2009 Automotive X Prize races on the X Prize contest page. You can connect with others interested in planet technologies locally and globally through Web 2.0 communities on the Planet Social Networks pages. You can experience and help create simulations of the future planet technologies infrastructure in 3D virtual worlds like Second Life and Google Earth through the Planet Virtual Worlds pages. As we progress further, you will be able to check out opportunities to be a supplier, a vehicle conversion dealership owner, or a development consortium member through the contacts pages. If this is your first visit here, we suggest that you may want to watch the Planet Engine page next, found under Planet Technologies.
I wish you could swim like dolphins can swim. Though nothing will keep us together. We can beat them forever and ever. Oh, we can be heroes just for one day.